Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video from QGIS tutorial. Today we will learn how to find QGIS plugins and also how to install them in the QGIS environment. If you like these steps of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. From QGIS environment, we can find the plugins easily. Just you need to find the plugins tab and easily manage and install plugins. In search, we have various options that we can search. If you don't know a name of your plugin that you are interested in downloading, you can easily go to the Google and just search for QGIS plugins list. Here we have these options, all plugins. For example, 3D City Builder or so on that you are interested in downloading, accuracy assessment, active brick, and etc. Here we have the category, top popular plugins. For example, this one of the popular QGIS plugin. I'm gonna search in the QGIS environment, quick map service, back to the QGIS environment, and in search, look for quick map service. As you can see, we find that plugin. By clicking on the plugin, we have these options to uninstall the plugin if you have already installed it, or we can reinstall the plugin, and also further details regarding these plugins, its tags, and also more information, and so you can find here. In the left side of your plugin tab, we have install. If I click this one, by clicking on install, it's going to show you all the plugins that are installed on your QGIS environment, not installed, available plugins that you can see plenty of them. And also here we have this option. Sometimes you don't have these plugins available in the QGIS website, just you need to download as a zip file, and from zip file you can go to the target folder and install the plugin. We have some settings for our plugins. I will leave them in default. However, you can choose, for example, check for updates on a startup. You can easily update your plugins and so on. Okay, very good. I think we don't have anything to add regarding the plugins, and hope the content of this video will be useful for you, and thank you very much for your attention.